Vaillant Boiler, where you can control the hot water and heating temperature. Towards the bottom of the boiler, you will see a fuse switch on the wall which controls the boiler. On the boiler display, you can see symbols that show hot water and heating. To control the hot water, press the top left button. This will display the current temperature. To adjust, simply press the minus and add symbol and click the top right to confirm. To control the heating, press the top right button. You can adjust the temperature using the minus and plus symbols and clicking confirm top right button when done. Press the top right button again and you will see a pressure bar which displays the pressure in the system. If it is too low, you will need to locate the filling loops just under the boiler. Turn and the pressure will rise in the system. If the pressure is too high, you will need to bleed a radiator. To reset the boiler, press and hold the flame button. Once reset, you may come across a fault code. This is where you need to refer to the boiler manual.